Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I am doing the Eureka Math Grade 1 Module 6 Lesson 2 homework. So let's get started. Read the word problem, draw a tape diagram or double tape diagram and label. Write a number sentence and a statement that matches the story. So we're back to the RDW process, redraw, right? And let's get started. Number 1. Kim went to 15 baseball games this summer. Julio went to 10 baseball games. How many more baseball games did Kim go to than Julio? Alright, so let's start with what we know. Kim went to 15. Julio went to 10. So how many more? So let's start with Julio. We know he went to 10. Let's label J, Julio, and he went to 10. And then Kim, K for Kim, went to a little more. So Kim went to 15. So we know that she went to at least 10, since 15 is more than 10. So this much can be 10. But then now we have to figure out how many more until we reach the 15 games that she went to. So this chunk is the part we're trying to figure out. So let's see, how many more games did Kim go to than Julio? So one way to do this is 15 minus 10. And we know from our 10 plus facts that 15 minus 10 is 5. Let's box that. So that means that Kim went to 5 more games. So Kim to 5 more game. Number 2, Kiana picked 14 strawberries at the farm. Tamara picked 5 fewer strawberries than Kiana. How many strawberries did Tamara pick? Alright, so let's start with Kiana. We know she picked 14. So K for Kiana. And we know that she picked 14. Alright. So let's just label that 14. And then we know Tamara, not sure how to pronounce it, but Tamara. Actually, let's erase. We know that she picked 5 fewer. So let's see. So she picked 5, this much fewer. So then how many is this? Because if this is 14 and there's 5 fewer, then we have to figure out how much these two parts are. So one way to do this is 14 minus 5, because it's 5 fewer, and that will give us 9, which means Tamara picked 9 strawberries. So let's see. Tamara, she picked 9 strawberries. So yeah, and number 3, Willie saw 7 reptiles at the zoo. Emmy saw 4 more reptiles at the zoo than Willie. How many reptiles did Emmy see at the zoo? Alright, so let's see here. We know that Willie saw 7. Let's write 7 and W for Willie. So Emma saw 4 more. So if Emmy saw 4 more, then she must have seen at least 7 and 4 more. So this would be 4. So let's see how much she saw in total. So 7 plus 4 more is 11, which means that Emmy saw 11 reptiles. So Emmy saw 11 reptiles. Alright, next page. So for number 4, Peter jumped into the swimming pool 6 times more than Darnell. Darnell jumped in 9 times. How many times did Peter jump into the swimming pool? Okay, so we know that Peter jumped 6 more times than Darnell, and Darnell jumped 9 times. So let's start with Darnell. So he jumped 9 times. D for Darnell. So he jumped 9 times. So we know this is 9. And then now Peter. So P for Peter, he jumped 6 more times. So then that means he must have jumped at least 9 times, but then he has 6 more. So let's see how we can figure this out. Let's do 9 and then plus 6 more is 15, which means that Peter jumped into the pool 15 times. So let's write Peter jumped 15 times. Number 5, Rose found 16 seashells on the beach. Lee found 6 fewer seashells than Rose. How many seashells did Lee find on the beach? So let's start with what we know. Rose found 16 seashells. So let's draw that. R for Rose, and this is 16. But then we know that Lee found 6 fewer, so let's just cross off 6 from here. So we know this is 6 fewer, so we get rid of that. So now Lee found this much, and this is the chunk we're trying to figure out. So let's see, one way we can do this is do 16 minus 6, since Lee found 6 fewer, which is 10, which means that Lee found 10 seashells. So Lee, 10 seashells. And number 6, Shanika got 12 cards in the mail. Nikki got 5 more cards than Shanika. How many cards did Nikhil get? Okay, wait, so Shanika got 12 cards, but Nikhil got 5 more, and we're trying to figure out how many Nikhil got. So let's see. Let's start with Shanika. So we know she got 12 cards. So if Nikhil got 5 more, then he must have at least gotten 12. And then now he has 5 more. So how many cards did he get? One way we can do this is do 12, then plus 5, since he got 5 more, which that makes 17. That means Nikhil got 17 cards. So yeah, got 17 cards because 12 plus 5 is 17. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!